So I just want to spend a minute or so talking about one of the things that goes significantly underappreciated when we're thinking about PEX connection methods across different manufacturers and styles of PEX. Now with a PEX B system, typically we're doing a crimp, clamp, or press style connection. And anytime you're using a connection like that, you need to have the pipe, the fitting, the rings, and the tool all in the same place at the same time, and it has to happen at the point of connection. That's pretty easy to do on a benchtop, but when we start getting onto a job site like this, that can be very challenging. I'll show you what I mean. All right, so in order to complete this crimp connection, we're gonna have to first put everything together. Got my rings over the pipe, get everything put together and get the rings positioned correctly. And now we have to get the tool in place in order to make the crimp. And the handle of this manual tool makes it tough to get into this location because it's making contact with all of the framing. Now, there are power tools for this as well, but as you can see, a crimp tool, a power crimp tool, is also a big piece of equipment that has to get into those same locations with many of the same challenges that you would have with that manual tool. So as an installer, we either need to wrestle with the tools in these tight spaces or do some significant planning ahead to make sure that we have those connections made before we get to the spot. Let's take a look at that and compare it to Uponor. Okay, so to compare that to an Uponor ProPEX system, we still need to use a tool to make the connection, but in this case, we can pull the pipe into a more comfortable spot to work and then make that final connection just by hand. So we can make our expansions out here. And the final connection is just made by hand, and I don't need to get the tool into this tight space, making it more difficult to complete the connection. So at the end of the day, we need to think about all of the factors that go into the productivity at the job site, including how tough is it going to be to get the tools into those tight spaces to complete the connections on your job.